How can I take over the League? First, I need to neutralize Tex without anyone being the wiser. A mild sedative just to keep him from setting his lineup. Or maybe I'll offer him B.J. Ryan now that he's had Tommy John surgery. Or better still, I'll do both. Yes, that's just diabolical enough to work. All this plotting is making me hungry. Maybe I'll have pizza. Nah, I had pizza yesterday. You know what? I could really go for an egg salad sandwich. Oh, yes. An evil egg salad sandwich.
Join the endless drama. Play fantasy baseball on ESPN with the most trusted expert advice and analysis, all for free. Sign up today.